You have product photos, but no model, no photographer? No problem. All you need is Gemini Opal. Just feed it 3 things. 1, your product photo. 2, the background you want. 3, a face reference. Background and portrait are optional, but the more you give, the better the result. Upload, hit send, and let Opal do its thing. Opal analyzes your product automatically, identifying the style, color, and fabric. Then it places your model in the scene, wearing your exact product, preserving every design detail. Fully automatic, 0 manual editing. And here's the result, a high-quality 9:16 lookbook image, ready for reels or stories. The model is wearing your exact product in the scene you picked. Plus, you get an English prompt to generate a video. Copy this prompt, paste it into any AI video tool, Veo, Runway, Kling, you name it. Seconds later, you have a selfie-style outfit reveal, just like the clips blowing up on TikTok. From product photo to video content, under 1 minute. Want this gem for yourself? I can share it directly or send you the full prompt pack at a fair price. DM me through the link in bio. Thanks for watching.